अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, दिस इज़ मी अब्दुल हन्नान। होप ऑल ऑफ यू डूइंग वेल। एंड आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि हम कन्वर्जेशन टैब इनसाइड द गो हाई लेवल कैसे यूज़ करते हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। लेट्स गो टू द कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन। Okay, so inside the conversation tab there are multiple options and you have to pay attention while watching this video. First is new. When you click the new button, you can have option to see the direct message, the group message, and the internal chat. Direct message, you can send direct message to the any contact, and group chat means you can send same message to the multiple number, to the multiple contact, sort of group. Okay, so the internal chat, you can communicate with the internal team member inside the CRM also. Okay, so the next is you can see the team inbox. You have option to just see the unread, the recent, the start. There are multiple options, and this is your inbox. You can see my inbox assigned to me, the messages that is assigned to me, assigned to yourself, and this is unread, recent, the same filter. And the internal chat, the internal team chat, you can see internal team chat from here, and same unread and the all option. Now you can see we have interface to add the message. You can add all the message content. If you want to send directly message from here, you can write the subject, and you can also have option to see, like go to the SMS. You can send the SMS directly from here. You have to connect the WhatsApp. If you want to send the messages through the WhatsApp, and then the email, you can add the subject, the email, and the messages, and then just click send. The message is sent. Okay, so now in the header we have also some option to archive or archive this chat, to mark as start, and mark message as unread. You can delete the conversation and add filters on the conversation also. So here we have contact detail like Ethan Clark. You can see email, the phone number, the owner assigned to this lead, and also we have option to see the tag that is added with this contact. And the active automation means that this contact is present in that automation, and you can also directly apply the DND from here. And also inside the CRM means you have to apply DND on just on the calls and the voicemail, so you just have to click here, the DND is applied. Okay, so next you have option in the sidebar. You can see appointments. By clicking here, you can see if you have appointment with this contact or not. You can also book the appointment directly from here. And the next is opportunities. You can see this contact is present in that opportunity, or you want to add this contact in, like you want to add this contact into new lead opportunity, so you can directly add it from here. And then you can assign any task, like this is for you, provide this detail. This is according to your business. This video is just for the understanding purpose how you can do this inside the conversation tab. Add task like title, like this is a demo, and you can also add the description and assign to the user, and also you can add the due date. Next you have option to see the notes. You can add the notes for the reminders, like this is hot lead, or you can also add any informational notes. And you can also formatting the text. I'm not explaining these things inside the video to waste your time. You just have to understand that. I think we have covered all the things inside the conversation tab. And next we have also some option for the formatting option, and you can also insert the snippet. And if you want to see how we can create email and SMS snippet, I have also created the videos on that topics, that is in on my YouTube channel. Just go and watch the video. I have explained each and everything by detail. By clicking here, you can insert a snippet. Basically snippet is a pre-built message. You just have to click here and add here. The message is add either the email or the SMS. You can add the link if you want to add the link, anything. And the trigger links also, the trigger links we can explain in our upcoming videos, so just stick to the topic. And then you have add the custom values. I have also explained this topic on my YouTube channel. Go and watch the video. And we have more option to attach the file. If you want to attach any document, request for the payment, you can also directly add this from the contact detail, and the insert the image if you want to insert the image. Now you have option to see send directly, or you want to schedule on some other date. You want to send the payment message on the first of each month, so you can also schedule this from here. And next we have manual actions. Manual action is a tab, means that this lead, X lead, is assigned to you, and you have to manually call the lead. Okay, so manual action basically an action inside the automation. So whenever the workflow trigger and the leads drags to the manual action, the task is created here and the alert is sent to the assigned person. Let's say that you are the assigned person, you have to manually call the lead or book the appointment uh, or look for the availability. So you have to check the manual action and click here to let's start, and whenever the action is completed, click here, let's start. You can see the contact information is open, means that the things you have to do. Okay, this is manually. And okay, so next is snippet. I have explained the snippet for both emails and the SMS in my videos. Go and watch. And the trigger links, I have explained this in our upcoming videos. This video is just for the conversation tab. Hope you get my point and understand each and everything. So if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment. I will respond each comment. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.